And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and dance preparation movement. Then we start with natural spin turn, overturned version. Notice ladies brush here. We continue with turning lock to right to promenade position. And from here we continue turning to right into hover cross from promenade position, which we end with reverse pivot. Now we dance progressive chasse, continued with quick open reverse turn, and again progressive chasse. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. We take close hold and start with preparation movement. Now we are ready to move diagonally to wall with first bar of natural spin turn. Second bar goes down line of dance. This is overturned version, so we continue down line of dance with turning lock to right to promenade position. From here we continue in same direction with hover cross from promenade position into corner, and we finish with reverse pivot. We continue down new line of dance with progressive chasse in same direction. We start quick open reverse turn, and we continue with progressive chasse into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.